Welcome to Audit Pros Inc., Attorney Assistance Program. We're glad you could be with us today. Let's get started. Have some questions for you. Will judges grant justice? How about, do you have an exit strategy? And then there's, are you winning any cases? You see, you don't want that judge to make that decision for you. We're here to help grow your business, and we do so by providing much of that work for you. That's what Audit Pros is all about. Now, how can we assist you in what you do on a daily basis? Starts off with superior audits, some of the best audits in the industry. Consulting, you have access to the auditor that did that audit. And we're going to provide the evidence so you can handle more cases. And we take great care of our clients. So what's in an audit? An audit report, anywhere from 50 to 65 pages. Now, the total audit can be 600 to 1,200 pages. The pooling and servicing agreement, the PSA, the prospectus, the affidavit written by the auditor, and it's about 8 to 20 pages. An employment search of the people that are involved. Are they who they claim they are? Endorsements and assignments, were they recorded properly? REMIC trust violations. Here's a typical audit. Now, this is back-to-back printing and a 4-inch binder. So if you took out the back-to-back printing, it could stack 8 to 9, 10 inches high. A lot of information. What else is in that audit here? Well, first of all, we have to check the loan docs. We're going to do tracking and location of the note as well. Where is that note? And we do so by using a 17-point matching system. Now, we're going to match 17 points here to identify that the note is in a specific trust. A Robo-signer search. We built up a huge database of Robo-signers to assist you. Deposition search. Now, we find a lot of these depositions of these former Robo-signers to help and assist you with your case. Main points. Items that you want to pay attention to that are in the audit. And recommendations. What to do with this audit, what you need to request from the servicer or the bank or investor. Bifurcation, the separation of the mortgage and the note, is key. MERS. Now, MERS, we're going to look at proper filing. I know there's a lot of evidence for and against MERS, but we're going to do some research to see if things were recorded properly. Cross-collateralization, that's the credit default swaps, those bonds, or the derivative insurance, or even mortgage insurance need to be addressed. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac lookup to see maybe they're still involved with this. Recently, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have been getting more involved with a lot of these notes out there. Person identity search. Not just some of the people that are involved with the paperwork, but also there are people signing this claiming to be vice president or even notaries. Is that notary real? Sometimes we find that they were expired, or we've seen expiration dates of 20 years. That's unreal. We've also seen a notary on one page where the next page they were the vice president of the bank. See, it's about winning team. Together, each achieve more. And that starts off with you, the attorney. We're doing the research and the audit for you. And then developing an exit strategy. And obviously that comes from the research and the ability that we've got working together as a team. Again, you have access to our auditor. He provides an affidavit and could be an expert witness if needed. Now, areas of concern. Wrongful foreclosure. Right now there are people that are upset with what happened. They're finding out the house was maybe taken away illegally and going back after the bank. Deficiency judgments. You see, most homeowners don't realize that they can get sued once again for the loss by that bank due to the foreclosure. Then we have summary judgments. A lot of people in judicial states don't respond to the summary judgment, not knowing the consequences. Well, these summary judgments can be vacated. And then there's the sales going on. Can we reverse the sales, set aside the sale? That's what we're here about, to help you and provide solutions for your needs and your clients' needs. I'd like to thank you for being here with us today. Please contact the case manager or the account executive that sent you this video. Once again, we're Audit Pros Inc.